Hello and welcome back once again to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you some common error that we encounter while using WhatsApp. So most of the times you find some errors like this. WhatsApp isn't responding, so they give you some options. Either you close the app, you wait, or you send a feedback, and then we get some error feedbacks like this. Then again, unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped. Do you want to get this fixed? Yes. Then just follow the tutorial to the end. Now let's get it rolling. So just locate your WhatsApp, and then let's get to know what we will do. Okay, so let's open WhatsApp. So WhatsApp has opened, and then just at the top far corner here, hit on the three ellipses over there, then hit on settings once again. Okay, so when settings opens like this, just go through and then hit on storage and data, then hit on manage storage. So you could see from here that WhatsApp has given us a total of what, 14 gig. So the used space is 1.8 gig, and then the free space is what, 12 gig. So whenever we encounter such problems like this, that means that we've used up our total storage capacity. That's why we encounter such problems. Okay, so let's go back to WhatsApp and know what to do whenever we encounter such problems. Okay, so let's come down here. So we can see from the individual chart here the total memory capacity we've used. So with the first chart here, I've used 67.4 megabytes. So let me see for the second one. The second one to have used 41.2 megabytes. Okay, so what do I do next? If you encounter such problems, just come here, check the chart that has consumed enough for storage capacity, hit on it, and then if choose or go through and choose the type of file that you want to delete. Deleting the file from here doesn't mean that it is permanently deleted from the gallery. You can still find it in the gallery. So this is the storage capacity WhatsApp has just provided for you. So I can choose to delete all, but then I can find them in my gallery. So I have deleted it. Okay, so let me go to the next chart and then see. So let me come here, and then I will select all the files here, then hit on delete. Okay, I will delete everything. So let's wait. Okay, now let's wait for the item to be deleted. This is a simple way that you can just use to fix that problem anytime you encounter it. And then I will show you a second way that you can also go through to also just fix the problem. So in a minute or in a second, it will just finish deleting the items, and then we proceed from there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. We have quality content for you. Okay, so it is deleting. Let's wait for some minutes because the files are too many. Okay, so it is now deleted. Then let's check again whether you can find some again to delete. Okay, so let me also hit on this chart and then delete the files over here. Okay, so let me delete. Okay, let me deleted. Then let me go through and find another chart to also delete some files from. Okay, let me also find this, delete all. Let me delete all. So everything is deleted. Okay, now you could see that earlier on we had 1.8, but here the used space is 1.6 gig. Another way that we can use to also maintain our storage capacity is just to go to the home here, then long press on the WhatsApp icon, and then hit on the info. That's the small I here, hit on it. Okay, these are several ways that we can use to fix that problem. Okay, so when it opens like this, just come here, hit on storage. Then when storage opens like this, we have app, data, cache, and total. So the first one, that's the app, is 152 megabytes. That's the size of the WhatsApp application. And then the second one, the data, that's the files that WhatsApp has just stored for you. Okay, so you can choose to clear this data, And then again, you can choose to clear the cache as well. So every setting that you've done on WhatsApp will be cleared. You have to just start the settings again. Okay, so this is the two ways that you can use to fix that problem anytime you encounter such a problem. Okay, thanks for watching, and then meet you again in my next tutorial.